Hello. So today I have two mystery boxes or packages from GB Gifts. If I remember rightly, I think it was £5.99. Okay, so I've opened both bags. I've not properly seen what's inside just yet. Be interesting to see if we've got any repeats. So let's see what we have. So obviously you can see some Bournville here. Bournville Orange Dark Chocolate. Nice, nice. Oh, and we've got some more Cadbury's. So we've got a pack of Dairy Milks. Fruit and nut. Nice. Licorice toffees. Walkers. Blimey, I've not had them in years. Fox's Glacier Fruits. Nice, not had them in years either. What have we got here? Oh, nice. Orange chocolate fingers. Well, I've got a drink here. Grape Fanta. Trix Treats. A cereal bar. Strawberry pencils. You get quite a lot in these. Crispy Treats Home Style Chocolate. Okay. Lotus Biscoff and Go. Nice, this is Biscoff dip. Neapolitan Dairy Milk. These are Sweet Tarts. Sweet Tarts Mini Chewy. Danny's Chocolate Strawberries and Cream, or Strawberry and Cream rather. Oh, Smarty Mini Eggs. Is that everything in that? Wow, that's pretty impressive for one bag. Let's see what's in the next one. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So we got the Peeps Marshmallow Hot Tamales. Nice. Oh, we've got some marshmallow fluff. Teasers. We've got some more Glacier Fruits. I think that's one of the first repeats we've got. Oh, another repeat, Licorice Toffees. Oh, and this one's Strawberry and Cream Danny's. Ooh, Teaser Buttons Mint. Milky Bar Mini Eggs, nice, nice. Another Trix Treats. Ooh, lollipop. Jolly Rancher Watermelon Lollipop. Yay, some more Dairy Milk. Oh, we've got a Galaxy Hazelnut Caramel. Nice. Dairy Milk Neapolitan. Another lollipop. What flavour is this one? It's a cherry, I think. Nice. And oh no, there's another lollipop. What flavour this time, and another Jolly Rancher watermelon. Nice, I think that's everything now. That's pretty good value for money, I think. I'm happy with that. So there's just an array of mostly British items, which is great, because it's stuff that I wouldn't normally buy anyway. And there is some American stuff and maybe something from somewhere else, I'm not too sure. But overall, that's a really good haul. So thank you, GB Gifts. That's a really nice selection of items there. So until next time, see you later.